Good morning, Compass families, scholars, and learning coaches. Melissa here, your middle school coordinator, with this week's Monday morning message. Today, I have week 5's results of the middle school pie contest. After 5 weeks, excitement is starting to build for the culmination of the pie contest at this Thursday's assembly, which is at 12 p.m. in my Adobe Classroom. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So here are this week's results. 8th grade is still in first place with 53% participation in all of their learning labs. 6th grade is back in second place this week with 38% participation. 7th grade this week dropped back into third place with 34% participation. It looks to me like 8th grade might take the cake, or the pie, literally. But we still have one more week of the contest, so be sure to attend your teacher's learning labs every day. Did you know that each grade level has its own resource page with times and links to learning labs all in one place? If you didn't know this, contact your teacher for that link. Moving on to the second part of the contest, pacing in your classes. Most scholars who started semester 2 with us in early February should have completed all of Unit 2 and either be working around Lesson 10 or 11 in each course. With that said, we currently have 64% of all middle school scholars who are within 1 week of that benchmark. Keep up the hard work. Having trouble staying on pace? Set a daily goal for how many assignments you should complete per day. To stay on pace, you should be submitting roughly 1 assignment per day per class, which with 5 classes is approximately 25 assignments per week. If you are currently behind, you will need to raise that number to get yourself back on pace. Don't forget, we also have spring break next week, which is another great time to get back on pace. Keep up the great work attending learning labs and staying on pace. Have a great week and good luck to all grade levels. It is the final week of the pie contest.